Hi guys, welcome to my backyard. I don't actually live here, but this would be awesome if it was. I wanted to introduce this place to you guys, and this is a place I like to come to just to kind of think and unwind if I don't trip over. It's important that now and then you go out and you unwind, just connect with nature again, because the modern life can really rob that away from you. So this is my go-to place. It's just some random person's farm. Just love to see I love to see nature and just really makes you feel grounded. I think that's the right word. Hope you like this place, and stay tuned for more I don't know. Just stay tuned, I guess.